What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's M. Williams, your licensed master stylist with Sugar Salon TV. Thank you for subscribing. Thanks for watching. This is just a brief introduction into the video tutorial, which is a short hair, quick weave, quick wig, whatever you want to call it, tutorial. You're going to watch me doing it. This is episode 1. Episode 1 is just showing me doing it. I'm doing it for you. And then episode 2, which will either come out today, tomorrow, or sometime this week, and it will be showing you how I cut and style it. Okay, so that's going to be a surprise, so stay tuned and let's take a peek. Okay, you guys, thanks so much for watching, and here we go. I'm starting off with that track number 1. Making this really quick, brief video. Quick wig, quick weave, whatever you want to call it. And here we go. Hope you guys are having a great day. Thanks so much for hoping that you will subscribe. If you've already a subscriber, if you're already one, thank you so much. If you're new to my channel, it's Sugar Salon TV, licensed master hairstylist. Been doing hair for over 30 years. And I hope you like my channel. I hope you subscribe. Keep watching. Stay to the end. Okay, you guys, if you could subscribe, that would be so great. You will be subscribing because you're liking this content and you like the vlogs that I do and you're looking forward to more content. And I will continue to keep improving my channel. I'm pretty much getting the hang of it. So if you do become a new subscriber, then you're going to be looking to see more tutorials like this on hair. You will see a variety of stuff on my channel simply because I've been doing hair over 30 years. So you're going to see a plethora, a variety of things. This is 10-inch hair. And it's just an inexpensive hair. And again, thank you guys for subscribing. Keep watching. So a lot of times when you get a bundle of hair, of course it's in a long bundle. So I like to cut it in half or in a third just so it'll be more easy to work with. So you guys, whenever I glue a track down, I always blow dry it because you want to make sure that it dries really good and it's very secure. Otherwise, you know, you're not sure if it's going to be attached. And you just seeing that the pieces are getting longer. So I have a little table over on the side there. And that's where you keep seeing me going over to the table to put the glue on the track. Working my way up that head. And now if you can see, you guys, I'm adding a bang here. the look that I'm gonna be going for is gonna have a fringe, aka bang. So now I've turned my mannequin over facing me. I turned it around actually facing me, and so now I'm just adding the tracks from the front going towards the back, as you can see. So you guys pray for me right here. I don't know what I'm doing. Again, it's Sugar Salon TV. I swear I can dance, but you guys add me to your prayer list, please. Please add me to your prayer list on this dance and stuff here. So I just reduced the speed on this video just for a second, and I'm just adjusting the speed of the video, and I'm adjusting the mannequin. So let's continue. So I added a lot. I went off video. I added a lot more hair in because it's pretty self-explanatory, pretty redundant. So going up to the top of the head, just getting ready to close it off. Again, the mannequin is facing me. So this that you see me, the tracks that you see me adding, they're going to the front of the face. And as you can see, dancing again. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for episode 2, which again will be showing the cut and the style. Thanks so much.